As Guyana celebrates Mining Week 2021, Minister of Natural Resources, Gov't, has reiterated his ministry's plan to rebuild the lucrative sector amid the COVID-19 pandemic and recent flooding. Minister Gov't was delivering the feature address at Mining Week's award ceremony, hosted at the Pegasus Hotel on Friday.
We all know that the theme is very relevant to the year 2021, and I may even say that it was relevant for the year 2020 as well. But through the resilience and through the perseverance of not only the operators, but also the regulatory body, we have been managing to keep the sector alive, and the sector itself has been managing to keep our economy alive.
Minister Gov't said that this year's event is a direct call for the sector to appreciate that mining is evolving due to the changing environment. Commissioner at the Guyana Geology and Mines Commission, Newell Dennison, highlighted the importance of depending on science, technology, and engineering in the mining sector, especially in these extraordinary times.
Unfortunately and unexpectedly, the sector in Guyana had to grapple with the worst floods on a sustained basis than has been ever recalled. This situation has brought into focus more than ever the vulnerability of Guyana to climate-sensitive events. In this experience, there has been a definite awareness emerging that it is not only the coastal belt that is exposed. My earlier refrain, therefore, is again relevant. We should not resist the solutions from science, technology, and engineering that could balance between mining impacts and the environment.
In 2021, Guyana's mining sector earned some $800 million in exports. The sector produced 485,552 ounces of gold during the year, which the Guyana Geology and Mines Commission attributed to small and medium-scale miners. Notably, some 200,000 Guyanese are benefiting either directly or indirectly from the sector. Mining Week 2021 was celebrated under the theme, Managing Change and Crisis Resilience in Mining.